In today's video, I'm going to teach you fixing stuck Steam downloads by disabling local network transfers and repairing your library. First, make sure you have the Steam desktop app open. We'll begin by accessing the main menu in the upper left corner of the window. Click on the Steam menu there, then open Settings. This is where all the download and library options live, and it's the quickest way to adjust anything that might be interrupting or slowing your downloads. Inside Settings, go to the Download section. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Game File Transfer over Local Network. This feature is designed to let Steam pull game files from another device on your home network instead of from the internet. While that can be helpful in some setups, it can also cause downloads to stall, pause unexpectedly, or move at inconsistent speeds if another device is offline or not responding properly. Turn this option off. After you switch it off, Steam will rely only on official servers for downloads, which often stabilizes the process. While you're still in downloads, we're going to make sure your library folder is healthy. Look for your storage or library list and select the drive where your Steam games are installed. Next to that drive or library folder, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots, then choose Repair Library. Steam will scan and fix common issues with the folder, such as file permission mismatches or minor directory errors that can block downloads or updates. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your library and the speed of your drive. Let it complete without closing the window so Steam can finish its checks and repairs. When the repair is done, return to your game and try to download it again. If you had a download paused, resume it. If you were starting fresh, click Install as usual. You should notice the download progresses more reliably now that local network transfers are disabled and the library folder has been repaired. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep an eye on the download speed indicator to confirm it's stable, and make sure you're selecting the same drive you normally use for your Steam library when running the repair. Those small checks help ensure Steam is working with the correct folder. That's all you need for this fix. Simple steps that often resolve stubborn download issues without changing anything else in your setup.